In this video, we will learn about IP addresses, their different classes, and how network and host portions are defined in an IP address. IP stands for Internet Protocol. Every device, like a computer, phone, or router, in a network needs a unique 32-bit address to communicate with others. Types of IP addresses. 1. Dynamic IP, temporary address, given by a DHCP server for a short time. Changes frequently. 2. Static IP, permanent address, stays the same unless manually changed. An IP address is made up of 4 parts called octets, separated by dots. Each part, octet, is 8 bits long, meaning it can have values between 0 and 255. Computers use binary, zeros and ones, to process IP addresses. Humans read IP addresses in decimal format, like 192.168.123.102. An IP address follows a specific structure. It consists of 4 sections, also known as octets. Each section is 8 bits long. Each octet can have a value ranging from 0 to 255. IP addresses are categorized into different classes based on their usage and the number of hosts they support. Class A addresses are reserved for governments and large corporations and can support up to 16,777,214 hosts. Class B addresses are assigned to large and medium-sized companies and can support 65,534 hosts. These classes allow large-scale networks to efficiently manage their IP address allocation. For smaller networks, Class C addresses are assigned to organizations that do not qualify for Class A or B, supporting up to 254 hosts. Meanwhile, Class D addresses are used for multicasting, where a single stream of data, such as audio or video, is sent to multiple computers simultaneously. Unlike the other classes, Class D is not used for normal network addressing, but is essential for efficient data distribution in applications like live streaming and conferencing. Class E IP addresses are special and are not used by regular devices. Instead, they are kept for research and testing purposes. Private IP addresses are used inside companies or organizations for their internal networks. These addresses do not work directly on the internet. Instead, a gateway device, like a router, helps connect the internal network to the internet by routing data between them. This slide explains the concept of a subnet mask in networking. An IP address has 2 parts: the network address, which identifies the network, and the host address, which identifies a specific device within that network. A subnet mask helps separate these 2 parts. Subnetting goes further by dividing the host part into smaller subnetworks, making it easier to manage large networks. The subnet mask is a 32-bit number used to filter or mask parts of an IP address. It helps identify the network address of an IP by using a mathematical operation called bitwise AND. IP addresses are divided into network and host parts for different classes, A, B, and C. Class A, the first 8 bits, first part, represent the network, and the remaining 24 bits represent the host, devices within the network. The default subnet mask is 255.0.0.0. Class B, the first 16 bits, first and second parts, represent the network, and the remaining 16 bits represent the host. The default subnet mask is 255.255.0.0. Class C, the first 24 bits, first, second, and third parts, represent the network, and the last 8 bits represent the host. The default subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Like, share, and comment on this video. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.